class 8 student. Now today we start our lesson 12, the defense system of India. So as you all know that each and every country regarded his boundaries from the foreign attacks, regarded its boundaries from foreign attacks have their own defense system, and India also has their own defense system. So India's major divisions of India's defense system or defense forces are Army, Navy and Air Force. So each and every country regarded its boundaries from foreign attacks, and for this they have their own defense system. हर देश अपनी सुरक्षा के लिए, अपनी रक्षा के लिए अपना एक डिफेंस सिस्टम, अपनी एक सेना तैयार करता है, जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं. इसी तरह इंडिया जो कंट्री है उसने भी अपनी सुरक्षा के लिए दीगर फॉरेन अटैक्स को रोकने के लिए अपना एक सेल्फ ओन डिफेंस सिस्टम बनाया हुआ है. सो हियर मेजर डिविजन्स ऑफ इंडियन डिफेंस फोर्सेस, हमारे इंडिया की जो मेजर डिविजन्स हैं इंडियन फोर्सेस की, वो हैं आर्मी, नेवी एंड एयर फोर्स. In army, as you all know that the Indian army is one of the powerful and leading armies of the world. In Indian army is divided, or Indian army has their many or several branches. The main important branches of Indian army की अपनी बहुत सारी अलग अलग शाखाएं हैं, और ये शाखाएं जो हैं ये हैं infantry branch, cavalry branch which is related to tanks, artillery branch which is related to guns, vehicles, medical and engineering branches. These all are the branches of Indian army branches. As you all know that Indian army is the one of the most powerful and leading army in the world, and these branches are also work in Indian army. Next one is Navy. So in Navy, the head of the chief of Navy is an admiral. Okay, the naval organization has been divided into 3 area commands. The naval organization has been divided into 3 area commands. 3 area commands में divide है Indian Navy. First one is Eastern Naval Command, second Western Naval Command, and third one is Southern Naval Command. That means Eastern Naval Command is just do or protect the east side of the country. Western Naval Command is work for the western side of the country, and Southern Naval Command is work for the south part of the country. So Eastern Naval Command is situated at Visakhapatnam, Western Naval Command in Mumbai, and the Southern Naval Command at Kochi. Now come to Air Force. So the Air Force plays a vital role in the defense of country. Now the 6 major or chief commands, air commands, are situated in India. The Eastern Air Command, Western Air Command, Southwestern Air Command, and Eastern, Southern, Western Air Command, Central Air Command, and Southern Western Air Command. So these are the main important air commands, chief air commands, which are working in the Air Force sector. So here student, as you know that each and every country protect themselves by their own defense system, and the major divisions of Indian defense forces are 3 forces are mainly present in India: Army, Navy and Air Force. In Army there are many branches related to different sectors: infantry, cavalry, artillery, vehicles, medical and engineering. So in Army there are several branches: infantry related to weapons, cavalry related to tanks, artillery is the branch which is related to guns, and as well as vehicles, medical and engineering branches are also available in Indian Army forces. Now Navy. So Navy is related to the water forces, related to naval water forces, which are protect our country through the water forces. And in naval there are mainly, chiefly, three areas of commands. Eastern Naval Command, which is protect or which save our country from the east side of our India. Western Naval Command, which is working for or which will working for western area of our India, and Southern Naval Command is work for south area of our country. Now air forces, so air forces are the forces which are working in air. These forces protect our country through the aircrafts and air jets, etc. So in air forces there are mainly 6 commands: Eastern Air Force Command, Western Air Force Command, Southwestern Air Force Command, Central Air Command, Eastern Western Air Force Command, and Western Eastern Air Force Command. So this is the division of Indian Defence Forces, and this Indian Defence Forces are divided into 3 terms, 3 types: Army Forces, Naval Forces, and Air Forces. This lesson, lesson 12, the Defence System of India. I already taught you about the major divisions of Defence of India, Defence Forces of India, Army, Navy, and Air Forces. So in Army Forces, Indian Army is the one of the powerful and leading force of India among the world, and India is proud of having a well-organized, adored, disciplined and devoted army. The headquarters of the army are at New Delhi. Okay, the chief of the army staff, who is the rank of a general, and its head. So the chief of the army staff, that means the chief of the army staff, the main person or the head of the army staff is called general. जो आर्मी स्टाफ में सबसे बड़ी पोस्ट पर सबसे बड़ी पोस्ट का व्यक्ति है उसे हम जनरल बोलते हैं. ओके, इन द आर्मी देयर आर सेवरल ब्रांचेस. आई ऑलरेडी टॉट यू दैट इन आर्मी देयर आर सेवरल ब्रांचेस, just like as the infantry branch regarded or related to weapons, cavalry it is related to tanks. Okay, artillery is manufactured guns or related to guns, or ammunition, production of equipments, vehicles, medical and engineering branches, etc. So in army there are several branches: infantry, cavalry, artillery, ammunition, production of equipments, vehicle, medical and engineering branches, etc. Okay, the army has been organized into 5 commands. I taught you that our army organized 5 commands: the central, the eastern, the western, the northern and the southern. Okay, the central command, the eastern command, the western command, the northern command and the southern command. Each command has a separate head and each command is responsible for its separate branch. These officers are of the rank of a lieutenant general. Okay, इन ऑफिसर्स की जो रैंक है, जो कि सेपरेटली कमांड करते हैं, उनकी रैंक है लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल की रैंक. नाउ कम टू द नेवी. Defence forces. In navy, as you know that by the name, navy is the force which is related to water. India is a peninsular country. That means India country is covered on 3 sides of water. 3 तरफ से पानी से ढकी हुई कंट्री है. इंडिया जो है 3 तरफ से घिरी हुई है वाटर से. और जो हमारी नेवल फोर्सेस हैं, जो वाटर फोर्सेस हैं, वाटर डिफेंस फोर्सेस हैं, उन्हें नेवल फोर्सेस कहा जाता है. और ये नेवल फोर्सेस जो हैं ये भी एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करते हैं इंडिया को डिफेंस करने के लिए. एज यू नो दैट ऑल कंट्रीज, ईच एंड एवरी कंट्री regarded itself from the foreigners attack and all, and so that they have their own defense forces. So as I told you that India is in peninsula and it is surrounded with water from 3 sides. Okay, so the coastal areas in India are vast. In the east lies the Bay of Bengal, in west the Arabian Sea, and in south the Indian Ocean. Okay, India just covered 3 sides from the West Arabian Sea and South in Indian Ocean. So an organized and powerful navy is must to safeguard the coastal areas. Accordingly, a strong navy is organized in India. Its head is called the chief of the naval staff. That means naval के जो head हैं, navy के जो head हैं, उन्हें हम कहते हैं chief of the naval staff and is an admiral. Okay. The naval organization has been divided into 3 area commands. जो naval आर्मी है वो 3 area commands के रूप में डिवाइड की गई है. First is Eastern Naval Command, second one is Western Naval Command, and third is Southern Naval Command. So in Eastern Naval Command it is covered with Visakhapatnam, in Western Naval Command at Mumbai, and in Southern Naval Command at Kochi. Every command has its own chief officer. Okay, these officers are of the Vice Admiral post. The Navy too has its headquarters located in New Delhi. Navy का जो headquarter है वो कहाँ located है? New Delhi. The main naval warships of India are INS Nilgiri, Himgiri, Devgiri, Taragiri, Vindhyagiri, and INS Godavari. The Navy has separate ships and patrol aircraft carriers. Besides these, there are 2 fleets. One is the Western Fleet and the second is the Eastern Fleet, which are mobile commands on the sea. Shipyards have been set up at Kolkata and Goa. Ships are constructed at Visakhapatnam. A number of ships, submarines and small craft are constructed for the Navy at these yards. So here is the naval forces or Navy forces of India. A new center of Navy, INS Kadamba, has been established in Karwar. It is situated 100 km away from Goa. Now come to the next Indian Defence Force, Air Force. So the Air Force plays a vital role in the defence of our country. The vital task of the Air Force is to bombard the key and sensitive armed installations, to destroy transport system and communication of the attacking country. The Indian Air Forces has more than 1,000 aircrafts and helicopters. The main types are Canberra, Hunter, Ajit, Kiran, MiG-23, MiG-28 and Jaguar and Mirage 2000. The headquarters of the Indian Air Force is also situated at New Delhi. Just like naval forces, the headquarters of Indian Air Forces is also situated at New Delhi. It has 6 chief commands and 1 maintenance command at Nagpur in Maharashtra. The 6 chief commands, I already taught you that the Eastern Air Command, Western Air Command, Central Air Command, Southwestern Air Command and Western Eastern Air Command. It is the duty of a nation to protect the citizens from foreign invasions. So for the duty to protect our country, these defense forces do their work for saving or regarding the country for the foreign attacks. And now in our next video we will discuss the role of the defense in the period of peace. This lesson, lesson 12, the defense system of India, we already learned that any country who regarded their boundaries from the foreign attacks and from the other countries, he has its own defense system, and India has its own defense system. So in India, defense system is divided into 3 parts: army defense system, navy defense system and air defense system. So in army defense system, we learn about many branches like infantry, cavalry, artillery, ammunition, production of equipments, vehicles, medical and engineering, etc. And in naval department is divided into 3 area commands, and these are the Eastern Naval Command, Western Naval Command and Southern Naval Command. And in Air Force, so Air Force plays a vital role in the defense of a country.
And the Air Forces has more than 1,000 aircrafts and helicopters, I already told you, and it has 6 chief commands and 1 maintenance command it at Nagpur in Maharashtra. So these are the 3 main defense forces of India who protect our country or who regarded our country from the foreign attacks or from the attacks of other countries. And only a strong nation, as you know that only a strong nation can honorable solution to the disputes. So keeping in the view of above factor, a strong defense setup has been created in India and powerful armed forces.